Sometimes when I manually select a set of features, for example, I have the cities of the world here, actually the cities of the US, and I only want them for a part of Alaska, so I can turn on the manual selection cursor and then left click and drag with a rectangle, the default, to select a set. I can also select by polygon. I don't have to use a rectangle, and I can click the vertices of the polygon, and any that are inside the polygon, any cities, which is my target layer, they get selected. So here I'm clicking for a different set, and notice that first set becomes deselected and the second set gets selected. I can also clear them by the clear selection buttons. Now there's lots of options. There's the lasso, which I just click and hold, so I don't have to laborious put down every vertex, and any that are inside, any points that are inside get selected. And again, notice it sort of selects the new set and deselects the old set. I can select by a circle where I'll drag and pull out. It shows the radius and circumference in the lower left if I want to find all the cities, let's say, within a distance of the center of a lake. I can clear the selected features from the top as well as from the clear selection button. Or I can select by line, where I just draw a line and all those points that are intersected by the line get selected. So each selection, again, deselects those that are already selected and creates a new set, because that's the option that's the default. If I click on one and then click on another just to do direct selection, notice that the previous one is deselected and the new one is selected. But I can alter that if I hold the Shift key. When I select subsequent ones, they get added to the set. So the keyboard Shift works, and that works for all of these. I can mix and match, so I could select by lasso or circle several times, and if I hold the Shift key and then drag another circle, that gets added to the set, and so on. Or then I could change the tool to single or to lasso or to any of those and select. I can change the selection methods so that they're automatically added. I don't have to hold the Shift key. I'm going to be doing a lot of that. So I can basically every time add one. As I select any, they just get added to the set. So I can also do this across different selection types, again, adding each time. Now I can go back to the old version anytime I want, and I can also change other options. So I can change the color options of the selection tolerance or the number it allows me to select as I go, if I like red instead of cyan, or if I want some other options to change. Once I have my selected set, then I can do that right-click, go to the data, export the data, specify a name for the data. I'm taking the default here, and I have my new data set. So here you can see just that last selected set as my new data set.